Elon Musk supports impeachment of judge who blocked Trump's deportation orders. In a recent development, Elon Musk has endorsed the impeachment of U.S. District Judge James E. Boasberg following the judge's decision to halt deportation orders issued by President Donald Trump. The deportations targeted alleged Venezuelan gang members under the Alien Enemies Act of 1798, a statute seldom invoked in U.S. history. Background: the Trump administration sought to expedite the removal of individuals identified as members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua, TDA, citing national security concerns. The Alien Enemies Act, historically used during wartime, was the legal foundation for this action. The administration's approach marked a departure from traditional applications of the law, as it targeted individuals based on alleged gang affiliations rather than nationality from an adversarial state. On Saturday, Judge Boasberg issued a temporary restraining order, effectively pausing the deportations. He emphasized the necessity of immediate judicial intervention, noting that some deportations had already commenced under the executive proclamation. Political reactions. The judicial order prompted a swift response from political figures. Congressman Brandon Gill, R. Texas, announced his intention to file articles of impeachment against Judge Boasberg, criticizing the judge's decision as an obstruction to national security measures. Gill's stance garnered support from Elon Musk, who described the impeachment effort as necessary in a social media post. Legal and ethical considerations. The administration's invocation of the Alien Enemies Act has sparked debate among legal experts and civil rights organizations. Deputy Assistant Attorney General Drew Ensign defended the president's authority to utilize the 1798 law in addressing national security threats posed by entities like TDA. Conversely, the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, criticized the move as an unprecedented and unlawful expansion of executive power, current status, and future proceedings. Despite the court's injunction, reports indicate that deportations proceeded, with at least one flight carrying alleged gang members to El Salvador. Footage released by Salvadoran authorities depicted the arrival and detention of these individuals, raising concerns about potential human rights violations. The Department of Justice contends that certain deportations occurred before the court's order took effect, while the White House maintains the legality and necessity of the operations for public safety. A hearing is scheduled for Friday, March 21st, to assess the possibility of extending the injunction. This session will further address the legal complexities surrounding the use of the Alien Enemies Act in this context and evaluate the implications for executive authority in immigration enforcement.